What's the biggest thing holding back traders right now, in your opinion, Linda?
Trading is a performance-oriented discipline. In other words, it's just nothing more than being a professional athlete. And I think the first thing is concentration levels. So a lot of people need to work on improving their concentration levels and eliminating distractions. And the challenging thing is, on one hand, you want to gain education and learn what works and see what other people are doing. That's fine when you're in the education mode. It's just like going to a university and getting your PhD in something. You're studying and you're seeing what other people are doing. But once you become a professional and you truly want to make it on your own, you need to think for yourself, do your own game plan, do your own analysis. And the awkwardness is that on one hand, the internet has brought us so many luxuries with the execution speeds and lovely software platforms, but on the other hand, it's like Pandora's box.